What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be doing another shoe custom. I actually started these shoes and I filmed the whole video and I ended up messing them up. Wasn't really happy with the way one shoe turned out. Like I didn't even get to the second part, but I wasn't happy the way these ones turned out, so I completely scrapped that whole video. You'll never see that video. It happens, whatever, we moving past it. So this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be customizing a Peppa Pig custom. Let's just get into it. So usually when I start any custom, I usually go ahead and tell you guys to remove the shoes, or to remove the laces, but I've already removed the laces and the easy on patch that was onto the shoe. I also already acetone and prepped the shoe. So with that already being done, the prep being done, I have one more prep step to do, and that is just to tape off the bottom here because I don't want to paint the soles. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape off both soles here. All right, y'all, so I got the shoe all taped up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and feed my airbrush with my first color, which is going to be a pink. So I am going to mix a little bit of white into the pink so I can make a lighter pink. I'm also going to add some duller and some too thin for my airbrush. So I'm gonna feed all that into my airbrush and we're gonna start airbrushing the shoe. Now that we got the airbrush all ready, now we're just gonna apply thin, light layers to our shoe. So in between each layer, you want to hit it with a heat gun just to make sure that we are completely drying each layer of paint. Okay, y'all, so I think we got the whole airbrush job done. Now we get to remove our tape. And what we're going to do next is basically this. Already have paint. This sock liner I already have painted, but on this one I don't. So we're gonna go ahead and paint that. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So basically, to paint a sock liner, you'll get your paint and you'll mix it with some paint medium, and then you literally just paint the sock liner. Paint medium is a heat set, meaning that you have to heat it with your heat gun or heat to make it actually set and actually work on your sock liner. So Y'all, and just like that, we got the final product. Cute little Peppa Pig shoes. Let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure to smash that like button. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Make sure to subscribe, share with your family and friends. Stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.